arriving at Ashley Distribution Services 130 Furniture Way, Arcadia, Wisconsin, on the right.
It's my first time here.
Okay, so I'm gonna have you do is I'm gonna have you swing around, make a U-ey at the end of this concrete barrier here. Go straight across the street. We have a drop lot. You can drop the trailer anywhere, just make sure you slide your tandems all the way to the rear.
Okay.
Bobtail back over here, and if you look in front of the building, there should be a couple trucks sitting in front of the building on this side. On the part that's jutting out, go through the driver's entrance and they'll be able to give you your next load from there.
Okay. Question, the road closure there is gone? Oh,
Yep, the road closure's done.
it's done. Okay, thank you.
Yep, no problem.
You have 3 hours and 35 minutes of remaining drive time.
Erwin, hindi good morning. Bad talaga, bad. Yung brake ko sa trailer, more than 3 inches ang lahat ng measurement. Ang nakalagay doon, this is equipped with a 3 inches stroke. Maximum effective is 2.5. Ang measure ko, 3.5 lahat. Tapos na, lahat 6-pack. Lahat tapos na. Sabi ko sa safety, yung driver nito hindi nag-post trip. Happy Monday sa lahat. Sa akin hindi happy kasi nga may major defect na naman ako. Ito ay pangatlong major defect ko sa cycle na to. Nandito po ako sa Ashley Furniture dito sa Arcadia, Wisconsin. Itong company na to ay the world's largest manufacturer of furniture. So Ashley Furniture Industries. May loaded ako na trailer papunta to ng Toronto. Pag pre-trip ko, nakita ko po na ang brake push rod stroke ko ay more than sa adjustment limit. Ang push rod ko ay 3 inches. Equipped siya ng 3 inches push rod stroke. Ang maximum effective braking niya is up to 2.5 inches. Pag measure ko po, ang measurement niya sa lahat ng gulong ng brake push rod stroke ay 3.5. It is way more than, hindi siya within the adjustment limit na hanggang 2.5 inches lang dapat. Sana learn ko from school is ang push rod stroke ay more than sa adjustment limit, it is a major defect. Pag major defect, ang gawin ng driver, ang gawin ko ay I am not allowed to drive the vehicle, out of service ang vehicle. I am going to inform the owner operator. So tinawagan ko ang maintenance namin, magpadala sila ng mobile service in 45 minutes daw darating na. Pangatlo is I have to write it in my daily inspection report. So dito sa ilag ko sa ADBIR. Kailangan sa mga driver ay dapat diligent mag pre-trip, post-trip at saka on-road vehicle check. Kung hindi ko nakita yon tapos tinakbo ko to, napaka-delikado po. Ako ay close sa accident. Napaka-importante ang pre-trip, post-trip. Sinabihan ko ang safety namin na yung last na driver na gumamit nitong trailer ay hindi nag-diligently did his post-trip. Kaya ngayon, hinanap na nila sino ang driver na gumamit nito. Ngayon, ma-call ang attention ang driver na yon. Pag check sa push rod stroke, kailangan mong gapangin sa ilalim. So hindi lang na pasilip-silip lang, no? While na-apply mo yung jake brake, isisilip mo lang yung angle ng sa slack adjuster ba yon. Pag silip ko kanina, naka-angle pa rin siya. Pero since ginapang ko, inactual ko talaga pag measure, doon ko nalalaman na out of adjustment siya. Salamat pala kay counterpart ko, kay Carlito. Salamat Brad. Na-discuss natin to na issue about sa measurement sa brake push rod stroke, no? Hintay-hintay lang ako. Pangatlong breakdown ko na to. Pangatlong major defect for the cycle. So, wala tayong magawa. Para safe sa general public, tayo ay hindi tatakbo sa highway. So, yun lang. Yes sir.
How's it going?
Good, my trailer.
You got air to it right now?
Yes, I'll release it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so that's working. You want to push them back in and then I'll crank them on up?
I have low air. I'll charge it.
Yeah, build her back up and then...
110?
Yeah.
100, okay. Dito na yung service, ganito.
Wanna give her a shot, see if they work?
Okay, you already adjusted everything?
Yep.
That's quick. Long stroke, it has 3 inches, but maximum say 2.5. So when I measured this morning, it's 3.5 thing. So it's way.
They were backed off quite
Yeah.
a ways.
So now I'll measure it again.
Yeah, give her a shot again. Huh. Yeah, I never paid attention to the measurements or whatever the hell it says.
I crawl under, so that's why I found it.
You go underneath there and actually
Yeah,
check.
I have knee pads.
Huh.
Now I'll measure it now. 3 inches. So 1.5. Yeah, it's 1.5 now.
25.
I'm here. Yeah. Good now.
Good deal.
That quick, huh?
Oh.
So I don't have to sign anything?
Nope, you're all good.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Have a good one.
Napakadaling inayos. Hindi ko man lang naabutan na makita ko mag-adjust siya. Pagbaba ko, tapos na siya. Good.
Okay.
Thank you. Morning. Thank you, sir. Pwede na pang sunod-sunod. 10:31 pa akong 8 hours.
Dali mo.
Hmm? Sige, sige, kaya. Salamat. Unsa ni ba manok?
Manok na.
Nga unsa?
Manok na. Manok na.
chicken.
Ay, ano?
Diyan, ito lang sa Walmart. Ako na po.
Naka-record na ba yan?
Oh, ano sa'y pagkaon sa Canadian?
Manok.
Chicken nga manok.
Buhat mo itra ko, limpyo pa kayo.
Wala eh.
Brand new.
Di man sila.
Katong
Okay.
usa, maurag hapon sunod. Hindi may kalayan. Pero kani mas bago ni.
Mas bago ni siya.
Mas ganahan ka to?
Mas ganahan ko ato, mas nato siya, nato si kanang monrok. Full pack ka
Ngayon
sa.
ko ano ya?
Oh,
Saan ka?
full pack ka sa imong baon. O ka ma-sure.
Ay, pang 2 weeks na.
Oh, yeah.
2 weeks na. Dako man among fridge.
Wala.
Ako nag-ipon kong points kay ako paliton mga accessories sa radyo ba? Kana ikaw na palitan o daan dyan?
Saan dapat palit?
Balik pa ka Amerika. Mauna sa bulbo. Mauna ka to akong daan nga bulbo. Na ay battery meter. Pagkabuntag, 1 bar na lang.
Battery meter.
Kani ba high definition siya? Ito yung breakfast namin. Chicken, yogurt.
Diyan na.
Bro, kuto-kuto ang tiyan, manad.
Ako na. Palit kong Keurig ko. Ganahan ka magkape.
Okay ra nga, nakoy kapigan mo. Pero ako pimiker gyud. Ako kay kuan man kanang initan ng tubig.
Initanan lang. Kaya ang akong initanan nakaguba sa ako ang inverter.
Ano naman?
Taas upuan, wattage.
Pila man din mo inverter?
2,500.
Nya in kuan.
1,500.
Ano ka no? Basig wa. Ito yung marker. Ito yung measure natin. Dapat ito sa kung ano to, chamber, dapat not more than 2.5 inches. So yan, naka zero yan. Ngayon, i-apply ko yung brake. Mag-travel yan, dapat not more than 2.5. Yan. So mga 1.5 inches lang, which is within the measurement. Kung sobra niya ng 2.5, major defect. O dito rin sa kabila 1.5. Yan. So yung apat na gulong dapat tingnan. Ginagapang ko to. Yung iba yan. Ayos. Ito. Ayos. So good tayo.